Bell's palsy. Bell's palsy is a condition where the patient faces inflammation and compression of the facial nerve, which results in the partial paralysis of the muscles of that side. It recovers mostly by itself in few weeks, but the patient may need help of the medicines, and I would bring to you some of the medicines which may get rid out of Bell's palsy. Till I am here or when I am gone, I will always be here with you, anytime, anywhere. Whatever knowledge and wisdom I have gained in homeopathy, it's my dream that it may reach the last person standing in the last line of the society as an easy and simple solution for better health. And I am doing everything possible to make this dream a reality. I ask you for your active participation in this endeavor, which is not for me, not only for you, but for the entire mankind. Hello friends, Namaste. Friends, today we would be discussing about Bell's palsy. I would be telling you some of the homeopathic medicines which may help you get rid of Bell's palsy. First of all, let's know what Bell's palsy is. Bell's palsy is partial paralysis of the facial muscles of one side. Around the lips, sometimes there is paralysis of facial muscles because of facial nerve, compression of facial nerve, and the lips tend to droop downwards of one-sided. That condition is called Bell's palsy. Symptoms. The symptoms of Bell's palsy include drooping of one side of lip, pain in the jaw region, tingling in the jaw region. Causes. The cause of Bell's palsy is paralysis or compression of the facial nerve. The cause for the compression or the inflammation of the facial nerve is not known, but it is believed that herpes simplex virus is one of the main cause of the compression or the inflammation of facial nerve, which results in Bell's palsy. In homeopathy, there are very good natural homeopathic remedies which may help you get rid of Bell's palsy. I would like to tell you the medicines in this video are effective, but it is advisable to get the medicines prescribed by the registered medical practitioner. So friends, let's start our journey. Let's get you some top homeopathic medicines for Bell's palsy. Top homeopathic medicine to get rid of Bell's palsy of either side of the face in homeopathy is Causticum hahnemanni. If the patient is having Bell's palsy, right side or left side, but preferably on the right side, then Causticum is the drug of the choice. Causticum would be given 30 potency 2 drops 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient get rid of Bell's palsy. A symptom occurs in Bell's palsy that there is twitching of muscles with redness of face. If this is the symptom, then the drug of the choice for such condition is belladonna. Patient could take belladonna 202 drops 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient get rid of Bell's palsy. Belladonna basically reduces the inflammation of the facial muscles and it helps cure Bell's palsy. A symptom occurs in Bell's palsy that there is coldness of the face part where Bell's palsy occurred. If such is the condition that there is coldness of the part and there is twitching and cramping of the facial muscles, then the drug of the choice for such condition is Aconitum neplus. Patient could be given Aconite 32 drop 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient get rid of Bell's palsy. A frequent symptom for Bell's palsy is grief. Bell's palsy occurs more in the patient who have grief, sorrow, and that type of depressed behavior. If that is the point and the patient is suffering from Bell's palsy, then drug of the choice for such patient is Ignatia amarga. Patient could be given Ignatia 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day. Where the person suffers in grief, then Ignatia could be the drug of the choice for such patient. Sometimes Bell's palsy occurs at the corner of the mouth and the saliva tends to droop from that side. If that is the condition, then the drug of the choice for such symptom is Agaricus muscarius. Patient could be given Agaricus muscarius 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day. This medicine helps the patient get rid of Bell's palsy when there is drooping of saliva and Bell's palsy is at corner of the mouth. A symptom in Bell's palsy is patient can't speak. He has difficulty in speaking and the patient is suffering from Bell's palsy. If such is the difficulty, then the medicine for this is cadmium. Patient could be given cadmium 30 if the patient is having difficulty and the patient has difficulty in opening the eye of that side, affected side. Then cadmium is the drug of the choice. It could be given in 30 potency 2 drop 3 times per day. If the Bell's palsy occurred on the right side in the patient, then the medicines for such ailment are causticum and belladonna. These are right-sided medicines which mainly helps when the patient is affected on the right side. If the patient is suffering from Bell's palsy on the left side, then the important medicine for such patients are sulfur, cadmium sulf, and alumina. According to individualization of symptoms, patient could be given any remedy from these if the patient is suffering from Bell's palsy. These were some of the homeopathic remedies which may help you get rid of Bell's palsy. Friends, medicines are effective, but I would like to bring to your notice that please consult a qualified physician before taking any of these medicines. We would wait for your comments about this video, and if you have any query, please do write to us on the given WhatsApp number. I would request you to please share this video among the society